what is up? It's Simone here. So today we're doing, I know, another headband wig. Y'all probably like, girl, if you do one more headband wig, I'm done with you. But this one's a little different. Today we're working with GeniusWigs, and I'm gonna be talking to you guys as well as doing this whole entire tutorial. Now the only difference with this wig versus the other wigs is this one is a straight wig that can be reverted to curly. I mean, that turns curly when you wet it, right? So, and I've worked with them before, and to be honest, I did like when their hair, like how their hair felt. It looked really natural. When I had my wig sale, y'all bought that one, was like in high demand because it's 2 hairstyles in one. So it has a kinky type of feel. I do wish it was straighter though. It's not as straight as it should be, but it's straight enough and it gives you that feel. So I might just run my flat iron over it a couple of times. So to get started, go ahead and do your edges. I'm gonna be using some edge control from my girl Kirsty. So it is the braid glaze and it works wonders. I'm gonna go ahead and just put my hair into a low ponytail. My bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair into a low ponytail, as you guys know, and I'm probably gonna rock this one just curly for the rest of the day because I'm not gonna straighten this back. So let me just go ahead and focus on that. But this is called Hemp Bay. And it's a pretty good oil. I like to use it for underneath my wigs because it doesn't make your hair all like super greasy and sticky and weird, and it doesn't smell like, it doesn't have a strong weird castor oily type of smell, especially my edges because these babies are breaking. Guys, I have something to admit to you guys. So I actually over the summer permed right here. Okay, I permed right here, and I mean, do I regret it? No, I'm gonna do it again next summer. But I just really just came to a conclusion. I instantly remembered why I don't or cannot perm my hair. So it was like, girl, now you knew that was gonna happen. It just made my edges a little thinner and whatever, but I just got so tired of my hair instantly like curling up the minute I went outside. It was such a hot summer this year. So I'm gonna be honest, I did. Yes, I did. I definitely permed my edges this summer. I did it at the end of August, and I think the perm is completely gone, but it's on the edges. So I'm just not suffering from it, but I'm seeing the difference as to why I stopped officially perm my hair. If you want life to be easier, do all the necessary work in the beginning first.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional. And
I don't even have a direction as to how I do my edges. I just comb back and play and comb back and play and see whatever I like. I don't like to be too complicated with it.
But if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you.
Oh, this edge control works. So this right here is good enough. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna tie it down.
I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit.
Take your last minute to swoop and snatch any piece of hair back, because after this the wig is going straight on. The only 2 edge controls I really ever use and love is from Kirsty and from Lovely Brianna. Those are the only 2 edge controls that I swear by, and those ain't sold in stores. Okay, they sold online on their website.
Baby, I'm on yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be.
And now we wait. Alright, so now that we're back, let's go ahead and take this off. Your hair should be nice and set.
You ready now to leave the ground?
Anyways, okay, so now we have the wig. As you guys know, this is how inside looks. So there are 3 combs. And you know what? I thought I didn't like these wigs with the combs because it can hurt sometimes, but you kind of need it. It's more security, and you don't have to worry about your hair possibly sliding off your head. So what I always do is I stick the combs in first. Yeah, I stick the combs in. I put it up to the front. This is where I'm at right now. I love it straight. Actually, it feels, I like how it's puffy. I like how it looks like it could be my real hair. So this is the up close. But I'm probably gonna wear it, hey mama, I'm probably gonna wear it curly, so that's why I'm not really like OD stressing about it being super straight. But you can wear it straight if you wanted that option. I'm just not gonna wear it straight. I'm gonna actually wear it curly. I'm going on a date tonight, so I'm trying to see how I can spruce up this wig to be date-like material, because to me, I just think that headband wigs are not date-like material. I'm gonna keep it real. I feel like it's a little dressed down for like everyday wear. So I think I'm gonna try to do something like a cute little updo. I really hope this comes out good, because I only got one try to get this right. I have like an hour and a half to leave. Alright, it's starting to wave up, but it's not like entirely waved up. Yeah, do one side first, then do the other. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do what I want to do with this wig now. Take out the ponytail. We're gonna take out this first half of hair. Now remember, we already scooped it up nicely, so we don't have to don't comb it forward, and you don't have to take out a lot. Take out enough to cover the headband. All right, now comb this back part nice and smooth. Put it in a low ponytail. The combs are gonna be important because you want to dig it into right here. Obviously the headband, you want to take it and you want that to be nice and snug. Okay, so now it should be hanging on back here. You want to make sure the black part of this headband is really tightly. You almost want to kind of like fold the hair up. And then now we have to figure out a way to make this blend. Alright, so I'm going to figure out how I want to style this first before I go ahead and make that permanent decision. Alright, so we're going to pull a little piece of the hair forward to kind of cover up the band. Alright, so I'm going to be using my Hammock curling iron, and I'm going to switch this off and put on the skinniest size. Oh, and then turn it. And this thing gets really hot, so be very careful. Alright, so what helps is if you take a piece of the actual wig with your real hair and curl it together. It gives it a nice, like, if you see it how I did this one.
Dare to love.
Okay, this is coming out cute so far.
Show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking now.